Greetings everyone. I hope you guys are doing fine in this COVID-19 pandemic. So today we would discuss the requirements to emerge as a great writer and produce a 8-band essay. So I have worked as a writer, come reporter and speaker with Disney UTV, News Nation and many other organizations. Nowadays I am associated with BitBite Media and am offering coaching via this institution. So, how do we write a perfect essay and force the examiner to give us an 8 band and above? So, this is what we would discuss today. So, now we would see the question. The question is saying that there is one section of the society which thinks that governments should improve sports amenities in order to improve fitness, but there are some others, there is another section of the society which thinks that more measures are needed to achieve that objective. So discuss both views and give your opinion. Okay, so this is the question. So the question is asking us to discuss two views. In one view, there are a section of the society, some citizens who think that sports amenities should be improved. Now the other section is not opposing the first section. They are asking for some more measures apart from improving sports amenities. So as far as improving the sports amenities are concerned, both the sections agree. Okay, the second section just wants some more things, and then my opinion would arrive there, because as a writer my opinion is very important. Now we would see how the writer has approached this question. So one stratum of society thinks that enhancing sports amenities are enough to improve the fitness of common citizens, of the masses, but there is another section which is asking for more measures. So in the introduction we first paraphrase the question, then we offer our own opinion. I support the second section and I think that improving sports infrastructure is very necessary, but we have to take care of various other factors to achieve more fitness. Now the first paragraph. The first paragraph would discuss the first view about the sports amenities being improved. So yes, it's true that improving the sports amenities, improving the sports infrastructure, improving the gymnasiums, stadiums would offer support in enhancing the citizens' fitness standards. Participating in sports keep diseases at bay. Okay, that is fine. Participating in sports makes us more fitter and more stronger. However, this point is true for the advanced countries of Europe and North America. Has anyone ever given a thought about the poverty and terrorism infested poor countries? What about the war-torn nations in Asia and even in Africa? What about South America, where basic sanitation and hygiene standards are not found? Okay, so what about a country such as Nigeria? How can they attain great fitness standards? By just participating in sports activities, by just constructing more stadiums, more gymnasiums. Okay, because the food security is not pretty good in that country. What about a war-torn nation such as Afghanistan, where murders are happening every day? Can that country offer prosperity to its own citizens? No, they cannot. Then comes Ethiopia, Syria, and many other regions where the citizens are suffering from a shortage of food grains and we have a devastating situation in our hands. So these are the countries who require many healthcare amenities. They do not even have a proper data of the number of citizens suffering from coronavirus. Can you imagine that? No, you can't. So this is an issue which you have to discuss in your essay because it's a current issue. Then the AQI index is very poor in such regions. So these countries and the communities based there need the support of Rich nations need the support of even United Nations for their basic requirements. More medical amenities should be constructed there, more nursing homes should be constructed there, more doctors should be sent there, proper sanitation campaigns needed to be taken in the poor countries. Governments of the rich countries and United Nations, as I discussed above, should undertake initiatives to reduce the effects of war in these countries. They should make investments in those countries. They should improve the education sector of those countries. Now, if after taking so many measures, if we improve the sports infrastructure, then both these factors together can construct better can construct better societies. So our essay just does not discuss about the rich countries. Our essay discusses about the poor countries too. In the first part we have discussed about the rich countries. In the second part we have discussed about the poor countries. We have spoken about sports infrastructure. We have spoken about diseases too. We have spoken about education. We have spoken about sanitation, hygiene, food security, war that is happening in so many regions. What initiatives should be undertaken in order to improve the situations there, they improve the conditions there. That is something that we have discussed in our second part. Then in the end, when we present our summary, then we summarize the essay, discuss both the parts, discuss the initiatives that we want to be undertaken. Okay, and in this manner we would finish this essay. So try to discuss as many things as you can. Read newspapers such as Washington Post, the New York Times, read news sites such as BBC, CNN. You would get more ideas. Find out how the editor writes, find out how reporters write, how they present evidence. Okay, try to make your essays more fascinating, more extraordinary. Try to use extraordinary words, try to present better grammar, try to use don't use acronyms, don't use short forms. Okay, use the comma in a proper manner. Take care of the subject verb agreement. These things are very necessary in order to make a perfect essay. So you guys can comment and subscribe and give your views about the essay that I have presented to you. If you think more improvement is needed in this essay, you can describe that in the comments. If you think that something more should be added in this essay, that too you can discuss in the comments. So I will try to answer as many comments that I can. Okay, so be associated with us. Be associated with us on Instagram, be associated with us on Facebook, be associated with us on YouTube. We would keep on giving you more updates regarding how to write essays and how to write both the task 1 and the task 2. So this is a writing video that I have shared with you. I would give you videos on speaking, on reading part 2, so that you guys can benefit. Subscribe, comment, and be associated with us. Take care. These are tough times. We have to unite, we have to support each other so that we can overcome these bad times. And try to be vaccinated. Try to be vaccinated as try to vaccinate your friends too. Try to vaccinate your parents too. Take care. We would meet in the next video. So bye for now. Goodbye.